Well, student, today we will start chapter 10, learning 43. First question of the exercise is define parallel lines. Now, what is a parallel line? Parallel lines are those lines which have equidistance between these two lines. For example, we can take the scale, this one, okay, scale. These two sides are parallel sides, ठीक? So, edges of the scale is parallel lines, okay. Next, take the example of two pencils, okay, like this, okay. We have take two pencils and distance between these two pencils are equal, that is called the parallel lines, okay. How to draw it and how to define it? If the straight lines AB and CD on being produced on both sides do not meet, they called parallel straight lines. The distance between AB and CD is equal everywhere. Now we can draw the lines. Here line AB, we can draw it. This line, name it. Draw another line CD. Draw another lines C and D, okay. Now distance between these two lines AB and CD are equal. Now you can put here 0, 1, 2 and 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Okay, distance between these two lines are equal, are called the parallel lines. On example, best example of the parallel line is railway track, okay. Now in symbolically, AB and CD are shown like this, AB and CD like this. Symbolically, we can write down this is the symbol of parallel lines, these two lines. Now we can start the intersecting straight lines. In geometrical way, we can say that if two straight lines cut each other or intersect each other at any point, they are called intersecting straight lines. For example, we can draw with the help of scale intersecting lines, okay. Now here write down A and B point, mark here A and B point and join these 2 points AB, and next you can take CD line and they intersect each other at O point. This is called O point, okay. For example, now we can put here, I have taken the two pencils and put here the rubber band and like this. These are called intersecting lines, or what is the point where it is intersect at this point where the rubber band red color shows, okay. These are called the intersecting line, and best example for the intersecting line is X, capital X of English alphabet. Next point is perpendicular lines. What are the perpendicular lines? If two straight lines intersect each other in such a way that angles formed by it becomes 90 degree. How much? 90 degree. They are called to be perpendicular straight lines. How to draw it? Perpendicular lines. Take one line is standing line and other line is sleeping line or horizontal line. Sleeping line or horizontal line, standing line or vertical line. Name it AB and CD. These two lines perpendicular to each other or 90 degree between these two lines at point O, okay. Next, how it is, AB and CD are two straight lines which intersect each other at point O. It is O point. The angles formed by it are 90 degree. Symbolically, it is shown by AB perpendicular. This is a symbol of perpendicular to CD. Is it okay? And how to take this example? Here two pencils and like this. Okay. Here makes an angle 90 degree. This is the intersect at 90 degree point. This is CD line, AB line, and between these two lines, angles between these two is perpendicular to each other. Here 90 degree angle. Thank you to watch the video.